proceed, don't forget to subscribe and like. Also hit the bell button for more updates and notifications. So, let's begin. And this is it, guys. The slip joint pliers and the quick release water pump pliers. Now, what is slip joint? Now, the slip joint is usually used for the water pump. For example, this is the tubo. Yeah, the tubo for the tubig. Tapos, we're gonna use this slip joint to hold, to grip the tube. Then while gripping this one, so that for the knot to actually, knot, so that it won't twist and turn while knotting. So we have two sizes. It is the 8 and 10 inches long. Next up is we have the quick release water pump pliers. Now what is this for? You can refer this on our previous video, but to save you the time, this is for knotting for the water supply. The best example is this one. So this is actually a combination. This one will hold the tubo, the tube. Then this one will turn the knot for you so that it can be secured and tight. Now, this one is already an industrial. From the previous video, should I say, this is the industrial one. So this is the high-grade steel. So we have the two sizes. It's a 10 and 12 inches. So that's all what I can do for you guys today, and I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from it. Look forward to our future videos. Please don't forget to drop a comment or message us on Facebook and here on YouTube. Thank you so much. See you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested with our products, you can visit our official website at www.tolsen.com.ph. We're also available on Lazada, Shopee, and GRABMART. Or you could drop by our stores. Links are provided on the description below. Again, don't forget to subscribe. This is Layatan signing off.